Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to back up your contacts onto your Gmail or Google account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in contacts.google.com and press enter. Now once you are taken into your homepage, make sure that you are logged in to the account within which you wish to back up all of your contacts. Now from here, click on the import button at the left side and you can now select your CSV or vCard file by clicking on the select file button in order to upload your contacts if you have exported them into a file. Now if you're trying to back up your contacts from your smartphone, then you can click on here is how to sync them and you will see the instructions that you can use in order to sync your contacts. If you're using an Android device, then you will simply need to make sure that you are logged in to this particular Google account on your device first. Then you can simply swipe the notification slider down. And if you further expand the tools at the top and swipe to the right, you will see the sync button. Go ahead and tap on this and make sure that it is enabled. And you can also long press on it and make sure that your current Google account is connected. After you enable sync, you will simply need to wait for a little while and all of your contacts will now be backed up into the Google account that you just selected. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to back up your contacts within your Gmail or Google account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.